we're coming towards the end of our European Patent Reform Forum in Munich. What have been the takeaways that you've taken from today? What have been the main points from the discussions?
Thank you. It's fascinating to see that, of course, there are still many open questions, and probably many of them we won't have a final response until the court is up and running. But on many subjects, the issues are narrowing down, consensus starts to build up among practitioners, and certainly there is a hope that these solutions will also be upheld by judges when the system is effective.
And what do you think are the main uncertainties that still need to be resolved before the system comes into effect?
Well, without getting into legal intricacies, I think the number one big question is quality. And obviously quality of judges, experience of judges. That's the single biggest deciding factor in the success or failure of this project. And I would certainly think that given the amount of political decision and will that is behind the project, we should have the right judges handing down the good decisions.
And they've already identified a large number of potential judges, I think. So it's a question of making sure that the right ones are picked and they have the right training, I suppose.
Absolutely, absolutely. Even though training is probably a lot of something that happens on the job. So probably a big task of the first president of the court will be to make sure that all panels will have probably a majority of experienced judges and a minority of judges with less experience, with training, and who will be learning more of patent litigation on the job alongside their colleagues.
And having spoken to your clients and other people, do you think there will be a big take-up when the unitary patent finally launches? You know, will it be a success?
I think it's an incredibly attractive proposition when you think about it. Today, the big forum for patent litigation remains the US. Now, with the UPC, you will be able to get a decision in a single procedure for a larger territory, larger market than the US, in a much faster fashion, in approximately a year, with easier access to injunctions, and for maybe 20% of the cost. That is an amazing proposition for any patentee, I think.
And of course, Paris will be the main part of the central division. Are lawyers in Paris excited about that opportunity?
Well, very much so. As we know, European decision-making can sometimes be influenced by national priorities, but in the present case, certainly the Paris Patent Bar is very happy to host the central division and looks forward to working with it.
Good. Great, I think that we're done. Thank you very much.